Right, for example 5, we've got some examples of questions where you are not going to get a nice integer answer and you are going to need to use a calculator. So for the first one, 3 to the power of x equals 20. We can solve for x by taking logs of both sides. Or we can identify what that base is and just make it easy for ourselves and do that calculation. So what I mean by that is 3 to the power of x equals 20. Well, we can use base 3 because our calculator will also allow us to use base 3. So I start off and we can say that log base 3 20, and we can say x is equal to that. We can enter log base 3 20 directly into our calculator using this button here. So if we press that button first, you can see it comes up with us needing to input the base and then the number in the bracket. So of course the base is 3, press the right arrow over, enter 20, and we get an answer of 2.7268 and so on. This question asks us to 3 decimal places. So we're going to go 2.727. That's to 3dp. Okay, next one. It's going to involve a few more steps, but we still look to see here we've got a base number of 5. So if we take log base 5, it allows us to then solve for x. So for this one, we're going to say 4x minus 1 equals log base 5 61. Okay, now we don't put that in our calculator yet. We want to put in one final calculation in there. So let's tidy this up a little bit. So if I add 1 to both sides, and then divide by 4, okay, and now we'll enter that into our calculator. So clear that, and we know it's going to be a fraction, so we can use the fraction button first. In the numerator, we're going to have log, and then it's base 5, 61. And then still in the numerator, plus 1. And then press down for the denominator, which is 4. Press equals, and you get your answer there. And of course, it's again asking us for 3 decimal places. We're going to go 0.889. Also to 3 decimal places.